Last time on Sailing Doodles, we crashed the drone, and we got kicked off Survivor Island. In this episode, we check out the Super Yachts in Fiji, and welcome a new crew member. Follow along as we sail 15,000 miles from Canada all the way to Thailand in just 10 months, and of course this channel is made possible by our patrons. We had been cruising the western islands of Fiji, and it was time to head back to the Big Island. We are going to get a hotel for 3 nights. We haven't been off the boat really in 6 months, so we're looking forward to some like air conditioning, a big square bed, and just taking it easy for a few days. You know, people think that, oh yeah, all we do is take it easy out here. No, it's actually a lot of work doing this. It really is. Something's always broke on the boat. You know, we don't have air conditioning. It's always hot, you know, and plus then we got to do all the video and the editing and all that. So it's a full-time thing. We're looking for a few days rest. The 2 yachts on the end are owned by Google, and they're named Firefly and Senses. So if you've ever bought a boat, or more specifically bought a new boat after owning a previous boat, you know, it's that feeling you get when you're like, oh my gosh, this boat is so much better than our old boat. It's so much nicer. That's the way we feel about this boat. I mean, it's so nice and we just love sailing it. And then we pull into a marina like this and we park next to this. Are you excited, Laura?
I don't know what to say. I didn't even know how to pack. How about that?
But we're going to get a hotel.
Yeah.
Air conditioning for 3 nights.
Full-size bed.
Full-size bed that doesn't move. That doesn't move.
TV. No Wi-Fi. You can just turn things on.
That'll be nice.
Yeah.
And then there's this boat. So I know there's better sailing yachts out there, but this is the biggest, nicest, actual boat I've seen in person. I can't even. We wanted to stay close to the boat, so we got a hotel about a 5-minute cab ride away. We piled in the golf cart and they drove us to our rooms. Don't worry, Dad got his own room. We're so close to air conditioning.
You can almost feel it?
I can almost feel it.
Work up that last sweat, Bobby.
We took a break from filming, and the next segment is pretty much the only footage we shot the entire weekend. Just, no, clean up the back right here, like that.
It's all set up.
Whoa. Oh, Laura, what the
I've never cut hair before!
I said clean it up.
I don't know what that means. Oh my. Clean it up!
Clean it up, not shave my head.
I thought you were giving me a 3.
No, there's no guard on that.
I've never done this before. Are you gonna? Is this the shaming that you're gonna do?
I didn't say anything. You're the one that has to walk around with me in public.
Are you trying to make me cry?
She did. She felt really bad. She was crying. It's okay. She said I should get a vanilla ice haircut to like camouflage it, make it look like I'm a DB. Yeah, an intentional DB. I can't say that word.
He's a classic now. He's not a DB. If you don't do something, you're a DB. I ruined our whole weekend. Good.
All right, sorry for the lack of video at the hotel. We decided to take a little vacation from filming because we haven't really had any private time or anything like that. So we spent a few nights at the hotel. Anyway, we're heading away from the main island of Fiji now, headed to Musket Cove Resort. There's a marina there in Anchorage. We stayed there a couple days ago, and the owner invited us to come back and hang out again. So we're gonna do that. It's a really awesome place. We're really excited about it. But we do have some other exciting news. We have a new crew member joining us for at least a month or something like that. So it's her name is Lisa, and she's from San Francisco. So say hello.
Hi.
So how do you know us, and how did you get here? And
So actually I know Laura through our mutual friend Trisha. Really best for her, said she was a pretty fun girl, and I've been following you guys on YouTube, so I'm really excited to be able to participate.
do you have any sailing experience or anything?
I have none!
So no sailing experience. We'll break her in here.
We'll learn quick.
Yeah. Although we're not sailing today, there's very little wind and it's kind of rainy and it's only a 10-mile run, so we're motoring. But well, cheers.
Well, I'm really happy.
Yeah. Laura gets a girlfriend for a while. That's great. All right. Our other friends, Kristen and Chauncey, just left. We didn't have a chance to say goodbye because we're kind of taking a break from filming. But we still worked this weekend. We still did editing and live chat and all that. But we're on our way back out now, so resuming the broadcast.
Back at it.
Back at it.
It was a short run over to Musket Cove, although you really have to be careful in the area because the charts can be wildly inaccurate. Oftentimes Google Maps is a good source to view the reefs. This would be our second attempt ever at med-style mooring. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. A lot easier than last time we had to do med-style mooring. It'd be helpful if we had
A bow thruster.
a bow thruster or a stern thruster. I guess we do have a bow thruster. He's right down there.
Go, go, gadget. Bow thruster. I'm going coconutty, waiting for you.
Yeah, I'm sure you are. So this is our ride to the room. The owners of Musket Cove are sailing enthusiasts and fans of the channel, so they gave us a room. Look at this, this is great. Oh man.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like it. All right, babe.